Can you hear that? This is going to be one of those days. It's 8:30 a.m. The wind just started about 15 minutes ago. We knew this windstorm was coming. So the last 15 minutes, all of the loose dirt that's on the ground, sand, has been blowing. So it's just been filling the sky with clouds of sand. You can see some over there. Because it hasn't blown in weeks, so there's a lot of loose, and it's been dry, so there's a lot of loose sand. I put the cover on the bike yesterday and really, I don't know if you can just catch the edge of it, it's really tucked up against the truck. The wind is going to be north-northwest, so it's coming from this direction. You know, the shower tent is over on this side. I'm hoping against hope that it's going to survive. It's been fine for the last 2 windstorms. It's all tied down and got its outriggers, and my hopes, when the winds come north-northwest, the truck blocks a lot of the wind that hits the shower tent. So that's what I'm banking on. You know, worst case, so today's winds supposed to build and be a sustained like 30 miles an hour with gusts up to like 45, and that's all the way through the day. I just looked at the hour by hour forecast, and it's not going to start backing down till like 8 p.m. So this is going to be a shit day. Lefty went out earlier and I didn't watch him, so I've got to get him out there just to be sure he's good. And we're gonna hide in the truck all day. This is a cold front coming through. So yesterday it was almost 70, and now today it's supposed to be a high of like 53. So one is pushing the other out of the way. The cold is pushing the warm out of the way. So yesterday I buttoned up everything as much as I could. I just went out and checked everything real quick. Lefty's little black mat was blowing away, so I folded that up and stuffed it in the back driver's side cabinet. His chair is folded up and on the back bumper. My table's folded up on the back bumper. Well, since we're stuck inside today, I'm going to put together a video. I had a camera card that went bad on me several weeks ago, and I finally just sat down and downloaded some software that let it recover the files. And I want to show you all what was on that card that I wasn't able to show you before. We've just pulled up here, and I'm just going to show you guys what this is like to pick up your packages. This is this is what you'd call a mom and pop shop here. And Lefty gets all riled up because they have a little miniature delivery. Here, come here. They have a miniature pinscher dog, little Doberman, that just raises holy heck when I walk past the fence over there. So he gets all riled up. It's like a repeating loop. One gets excited, which excites the other one, which excites the other one. And so let's give it a look. Stay here. Stay. Stay right here. So you can see it's just a little mom and pop shop here. And I have an account here, so my packages get delivered here. They hold them for me till I come and pick them up. It's really that simple. And you can find services like this. I've found them in every town that we've ever camped near. So it's really quite common. So let's see what we got. Well, first we have an envelope. I like the card. It says, "Thank you. Message on cover may appear smaller than actual gratitude." This is from Lynette, Simon, and Tucker. That's her pups. I guess they watch Lefty on the screen. I hope they don't get too rambunctious. You should see Lefty watching himself on the screen. He goes nutso. When I edit videos and he's in it, oh my gosh. Sometimes I have to put headphones in because he just goes crazy when I'm trying to edit. Oh. What the? It's David's. Baked fresh since 1979. I didn't know I made cookies. From Linda. Pennsylvania, Allentown. I've been through there many times. Thank you so much. You know, we just came back from town, and it's dinner time. I am starved. You got the box left? Okay. All right. He's handling the box. So this is not a good time for me to be opening a tin of cookies. Oh, these look kind of gourmet-ish. Yeah. I'm putting these up for right after we eat. Thank you so much. So one of you, and I don't know who, has sent this for Lefty. What? Left? What'd you get? Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh, you got it? Hey! Look at this. This is the oh, this is like a, it's like a Spider-Man box of goodies for the dog. Oh, we got treats. Spidey Bites. Friendly neighborhood dog treats. This is so cool. Oh. 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 Oh, left. What? What is that? Give me that. This is from Christine. Christine, thank you. It's just too Lefty. Thank you very much. Oh, oatmeal waterless shampoo. Waterless shampoo. Now that's something new to me. Whoa. Oh, that's a... Wow. That is a big dog treat. Holy moly. What is this? Oh! Pet first aid kit. Wow. Lefty sure is loved. You guys, I think a lot of you love Lefty just as much as I do. Thank you so much. Man. Oh, paw ointment. Yep. That's exactly what he needs. Okay. Hey. Left. Oh my gosh. Dude. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Now, I gotta clean up. I've got to show you guys something that I received as a Christmas gift from my friend Tara. You've heard me mention Tara before. She's camped close by here. A good friend that I've known for a couple of years. She got me something that kind of scratches a couple of itches that I have. My gadgetness, right? Because I'm a geek for electronics and such. And my video making. That's another itch that I like to have scratched. And she scratched all kinds of stuff. Look what she got me. She got me a little droner. Yeah, and I am definitely reading the instructions on this. We just came back from town. I picked up some packages. And I just slit this one open and I see what it is. And I know I didn't buy this, which means it's from one of you. Fuel filter wrench. If you've ever tried to change your fuel filter up under the hood on top of the 7.3, you know what it's like to try to get the lid off. My lid has deteriorated so bad, I actually have a replacement lid and a filter because I knew when I spun that thing off of there, I was going to want to replace the lid. Well, I've tried to get that lid off of the fuel filter and it just keeps breaking. It's so deteriorated. So I have a new lid, but now with this tool, it's done. Now I can do the job. Thank you, Jason. This means a ton to me. This is staying in my toolbox forever. And the unexpected deliveries keep on coming. Yes, a Christmas card. Oh, thank you. Lynn and Sheila, enjoy your videos. This will go right to Lefty's Treats, I promise you. Thank you, Lynn. Careful, these are sharp. Oh, now I'm curious. What is this? Knives? Oh my goodness. Yeah, these look sharp. Holy cannoli. Oh my gosh. Made in Germany. I don't know if you can appreciate that. It looks like a razor blade with a handle on it, basically. So what's the test always? If you can slice paper? Yeah. Thank you, Lauren. In living and doing all the things that we do on a daily basis, you can never have enough cutting type implements. Thank you so much. Did I order these? Yeah, I think I ordered these. And gosh, if I didn't, I can't, things I put on the wish list or then I buy them, I can't remember, honestly. Isn't that terrible? I think I ordered these. You can see my brow sweating. It's actually in the low 70s today. I mean, this is quite a change. It's been... Oh! Thank you. Coffee! I went and found some... I like the donut shop. And look, I got two different donut shop. This is the Amazon. I didn't even know Amazon sold coffee. And then New England Coffee Donut Shop blend. Oh, so good. And... Whoa! Oh my gosh. Carolyn, thank you. This is a really, really nice knife set. Oh, is this a serrated? Gosh, I hope. I have been hacking through bread. Here's bags of rolls. And I've been using like this old steak knife to cut it because I don't have anything better than that. So boy, that serrated one, that looks like it might just... So I got a paring blade, a serrated, and a chef's knife. Oh my gosh. This is really awesome. Oops, we've got one more. Hey, it's a box. Oh. See, I don't know who ordered this. Bless you. I know what this is. I just read it on the sticker. It's a full-length broom with collapsible handle. My back thanks you tremendously. Actually, we just got back from town, and when I get us back settled in camp, like I'm doing right now, then when I'm all finished, the last thing I do is I sweep out the truck because I've been stepping in and out a whole bunch of times, and there's like sandy footprints all around in here. And usually by the time I'm done unpacking us back at camp, my back is screaming. And then I have to sweep. So thank you, because my back is going to be saved. I don't know who got this for me. Thank you so much. I'm going to dispose of that, the one with the killer handle there that I've cut myself on a couple times. Oh, wow. This looks awesome. Okay, buddy. Stone earth saucepan with a lid. Oh my gosh. I am going to use this. Yeah. Trying to be careful. I think it has a glass lid. So this is, what, about 4 inches deep? Look at this thing. Extra handle on that side. Yeah, this bike cover fits so much better than the last one. You can see it's tight at the front, tight at the back. The height is really, really nice. And it has the stretch all along the bottom of it, and it's got this center clip which really helps to hold it together. So it's kind of looped right under the bike. I really like this one better. And it's got this fancy AF front on it here. Claws cover. Thank you for getting this for us. It fits so much nicer. And Yeah, it's waterproof, I'm guessing. Just waiting for everything to dry. Got a nice morning. Got some blue skies. We have not had blue skies like this. It's just been not great weather here. So this is a real welcome. Nice sun this morning. Lefty's enjoying it, laying here in his chair. My chair. Our chair. How's that? We'll call it our chair. And that's a new upcoming surprise that we got, but I haven't yet set it up just because of the weather. You'll see that in an upcoming video. Today is gonna suck. Really gonna suck. At least it's not gonna be super hot. You know, when it gets hot out and you're trapped inside, you can't open the windows and run the fan and all that. So at least it's gonna be cool and we're not gonna overheat in here. Thankfully, because that is miserable when you're buttoned up in here and it's windy and you can't open the windows and turn the fan on. So a lot of people have left the area here. As busy as it was here like 8 days ago, 9 days ago, that dropped off dramatically. But a lot of people have left, and I have this feeling right now. I was talking with Tara and Dottie about it. I have this feeling of melancholy, like, you know, I guess we come here and we know that the big gathering is happening, you know, end of December, beginning of January, middle of January. And so that all happens, and then it drops off. And I'm left with this feeling of, you know, like, what's next kind of thing. I think that's it. It's like, what's next? You know, the excitement is over. The gatherings have dissipated. There's still a lot of people here. Don't get me wrong. There's still a lot of people in the area here, but nothing like it was when I rode the bike. In fact, it's almost like that buildup happens, and as soon as it hits, like the day that it's maxed out, the next day it starts declining. You know, a lot of those folks just come here for a really short visit, and then they're off. Some folks just come here. You know, they live in a house, they bring their camper here, their RV, whatever, they drive here, they spend a couple of days, and then they're gone. And so that all just happens right at the same time, but then a lot of those people turn right around and leave. So as soon as it was full, it was not full the next day, and things started to dissipate. You know, I'm still here just like I was last year and the year before, but I feel like I want to go and travel a little bit and actually start making my plans for where we're going to be going, you know, as the weather improves in other parts of the country. You know, it starts to get too warm here, and I don't want to be stuck out here when it's too warm. That's no fun. But that's where we're at today. It's, you know, it's early February right now. Again, it's been a great winter out here, but I think it's time to start moving on and get some excitement happening, some fresh stuff, you know. So thanks for watching the update. Wish us luck in the windstorm. Everybody take care, be safe. We'll see y'all again really soon. Hello. You quite comfortable up here? I hate that we're stuck inside all day.